Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the PAC 511 DCI single door access control starter kit. If you're looking for an all-in-one, powerful and reliable access control solution for your premises, then this kit has got you covered. Whether it's for a small business, offices or a residential building, this starter kit is a perfect choice. Let's dive into the details and see what's inside. The kit includes the PAC 511 DCI door controller, housed in a secure metal enclosure, the GS3 Mullion HF reader, an admin MT reader and 10 PAC ops fobs. Everything you need for a single door access control setup is right here, making it easy to secure your building from day one. The PAC 511 DCI door controller is a robust, intelligent IP-based unit capable of managing up to 10,000 users. It integrates seamlessly with the PAC Access Central software, offering advanced management features and real-time monitoring. This kit is designed to be easy to install and configure, making it ideal for both experienced installers and first-time users. The GS3 Mullion HF reader is a sleek, compact and perfect for mounting at any entrance. It supports proximity cards and fobs, providing quick and reliable access for authorised users. The reader is weatherproof, so it's built to withstand both indoor and outdoor environments. Setting it up is a breeze. Once the controller is mounted and connected, configuring users and access levels is straightforward. The PAC Ops fobs provide secure contactless access, making them perfect for staff, residents or visitors. The system also supports advanced features like remote monitoring through the Access Central platform. Overall, the PAC 511 DCI single door access control starter kit is a powerful and versatile solution for securing any entrance. It's packed with features, simple to install and built to last. If you're looking for a reliable access system, this kit should be the top of your list. Whilst the 511 DCI single door access control starter kit sets up access for your first door, you can also expand your access control system with the PAC 511 DCI additional door access control expansion kit. Product code L35946 on our website. This kit allows you to add a single door to your existing Access Central IP network. If needed, you can then add more expansion kits for as many doors as needed using more of the kits. If you're interested in the PAC 511 DCI starter kit, then you can check it out on our website, along with 25,000 plus other security products at aldridgesecurity.co.uk. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more security product unboxings. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.